Maytag Freezer Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in Maytag freezer repair that consists of Maytag chest freezer repair, Maytag upright freezer repair, Maytag refrigerator freezer repair, Maytag portable freezer repair, along with all other Maytag freezer models. If your Maytag freezer's not cooling or your freezer's not working, maybe your freezer runs all the time, your freezer's leaking water, freezer has defrost drain problems, freezer coils are frosting up, maybe the freezer indicator light is out. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.